Hello. What is the ordinal stand for?
Ordinal is equal
Occurrence
to
of the dynamic value.
Okay. Sorry.
Occurrence of the dynamic value.
Okay. Occurrence of the dynamic value. What will happen when we are given ordinal is equal to all? Krishna.
ordinal is equal to all stand capture the all the values of left boundary and right boundary.
Look, we can give from the ordinal is equal to all. Then what will happen?
Capture the all the value based on left boundary and right boundary.
Yeah. So like ordinal stand for the occurrence of the dynamic value. So when we are given ordinal is equal to all, it become an array and it display the all the occurrence of the dynamic value. So all the occurrence means, for example, you have the drop down will be there. In the drop down, we have the different cities will be there. London, Paris, Los Angeles. So you want to from the all these values, then we need to give from the ordinal all. Otherwise, I want from the particular 1, 2, 3, or 4. So you want from the particular occurrence, then we can give from the ordinal is equal to some 1 or 3 we can give. It's clear? So now we'll see the ordinal, and we have the other arguments also will be there. We can see the other arguments also. For example, okay, I'm doing from the this is the okay dynamic value. Okay, I'm directly doing from the correlation. Okay, find all. Otherwise, ordinal point of view, we can take other one. We'll take from the Denver. Okay, because this is somewhat will be difficult will be there. So I will explain. So what you can do means you can do from the your way anything. So I can give from the Denver find all. Oh, I think this script we are not recorded. Right? That is why it is not coming. The list. Okay, what we can do means the output we can try. Code generation. Yeah. Control home and copy this and find next. The string is not found. Type in I think we need to execute once at least. And the script will be pass. Now, if we go to the code generation, the punch is not showing. So anyone tried this? I think you are not recorded, right? Let's see other one. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. The record and replay also you're seeing. And you can click here. In the response, we are able to see the okay. Yeah, now you can see here. So these all will be dynamic values. So what we can do means we can, for example, take any one of this because as a correlation point of view, okay, take this and where to write the function already we know. And one more thing also important. So for example, if you are doing from the, it's a depart, okay, you are doing from the depart, then where we need to write the function, I told from the many ways. One is from the web underscore, one is from the INF, one is from the snapshot view and find all. So same way, one more thing also. For example, you are doing from the snapshot T4, actually is the original value will be there. So we don't write from the immediate of this. After this request, we need to write like T3 above we need to write. Like you need to write from the here function. Okay, this is also one of the way, but always this will be not good because it's a simple code. That is why we are easy to identify, but you should follow the our steps only. Like anyone is fine. Code generation, otherwise web underscore and INF or find all, and through snapshot also you can identify. Okay. So if you click here, you able to see this response, then only we can do from the correlation here. See, for example, you can observe, you want to Frankfurt and London will be there, all values will be there, right? So which value you want to do, so you can take that value. For example, I am doing from the London, so I copy this. Okay, London is nothing but some array value or departure value. Okay, so for here we need to do from the correlation. Click on that and this, and after that we need to give from the function web underscore rect underscore save underscore for the function, and lb, sorry, parameter name lb comma rb comma last. Okay, and so comma, okay, okay, parameter name, which value we are doing, you are doing from the depart means you can give from the depart, and lb is equal to, and rb is equal to, and now you can observe our dynamic value will be this London. So but here we have the 2 times will be there. Okay, means we can choose from the any one of the dynamic value. Maybe if you choose this, then what will happen? This is the left boundary, and this is the up to this is the right boundary. If you choose from the this dynamic value, maybe if you choose from the this dynamic value, your left boundary is the this and right boundary this. So means we have the two options. Which one is suitable for us? You can take any one is also fine. Okay. For example, now what I'm taking is this is the I'm considering. So this is the left boundary I'm taking left. Okay, and this is the right boundary. Okay, you can observe your script passing is failed. Why? Because we are not handled the double colon. So LB is equal to, we have one double colon with the black slash. So now you can observe script passing succeeded means, okay, our syntax will be correct. Then what we can do, we need to replace. Okay, in the departure place, we need to replace with the this name. You can replace Control H, otherwise you have only one, we can directly also we can replace. So now correlation will be done. So just will execute once and we'll see the results. Okay, this. Okay, now just I replay this and we'll see the output, how it will be there. See, now you can see here. Okay. Yeah. Departure is equal to what came? Denver escape. See, actually what we did, you can observe here. We are given London. You can observe. Actually, we are did from the London, but which value you got?
Denver.
As a departure, Denver. So means what will happen as a user, it is a changing. Again, you can execute and you can observe again. See, again also it is same also it will come, or it will be different also it will come, because as a user will be based on from this, it will be picked from that value. Denver, again Denver only came. So same way what we can do, departure also we can do. So okay, we'll do from the arrive also, no worries. Arrive also same will be there, only the difference we can observe from the, okay, only from the variable name only it will change, because that will be same only. Arrive. Okay, and if we execute, there is a chance same also it will pick, or there is a chance different also it will pick. Now we can see here, both also we can observe, departure, arrive also Denver, Denver. So this will be possible, same Denver to Denver. Is it possible? No, right? So otherwise, what we can take, this is the left boundary we can take from the 1, this, and after this we can consider as a right boundary. Okay, now any double columns is here, we have one double column, and after RB is equal we have 1, okay. Now we'll see this output, there is any change or same value it is picking, you can observe. See, now you can observe. In output, we can see the output. Everything you want to see the output only. So you can observe departure, Denver, array with the bracket. So means as per our like user to user, it will changing, right? You can give from like this. Again, we'll execute. Again, we can see the is there is any change or not. Okay, this is the application side. If you handle, not handle also, there is nothing difference, because same value if you give also no problem, because your script will be never fail. But what are the coming from the server side? If you not handle this, your script is will be fail always. Okay. You can observe I given from the Jojo Bean. Actually, that user will be there, not there. I don't know. But we can check once. Okay. What is that? Jojo. And password will be Bean. See, the user will be not there. Means as a script point of it will be pass only, but you are unable to log into the application. Means you are will be there here only, but load runner it will show from the script pass only. But that is why very important thing will be we need from the this text web break find, like validation point is a very important from the our testing point of view, like where we can give from the each and every request above web break find, and text is equal to welcome. Okay, so for this welcome will be there, it will pick, it will not there, it will not pick. Okay, so that is why we need to give from that. Okay, if you observe login, we have given from the function name web break find. What is this function means? It is a verification point, text verification point, because we are verifying the text. See, for example, if I not given this count, and we'll take from the different one. Okay, any other text, because welcome will be there in every page also, it is possible. Okay, I want take from the, okay, already booked is there, right? I will take this booked. Okay, and put it from the text is equal, and save this, and you can run. See, immediately your script will be fail in login only, expecting some. Okay, double colons. Yeah. See, you can observe. See, for example, now it will be there like this. Then you got from the error. Okay, again I will replay. So errors also very important, because this is only you will get from the good knowledge. Otherwise, what will happen? So you can observe errors. See, syntax error, expecting identifier, wrong token is equal to login, missing double colon. So if it is double colon will be there, you can give slash, that's fine. But it is a no need from here, right? You can remove, then your script passing you also succeeded. Like what is the error and how to we can resolve also very important. Like success is the every time we are getting, that's fine. But you should be, when you are getting from the error, then only your scripting you are doing from the good. Because every time it is not a success. So sometimes will be failures will be there. If it is fail there, then what will happen? How to you can resolve? What is that issue? How to I can identify and how to you can resolve? That is the very important thing. Okay. So again, we'll run. See, you can observe. Now exactly it is a failed login itself. You can observe exactly it is failed in login itself. Why? Because you are not handling this dynamic value. So now what we can do means we can do. Okay, you can do from the any times, like number of times you can do also, every time it will fail. You can observe again. I am showing your understanding point of view. Okay, see it is fail. Now what I can do means I will do the correlation. Okay. Immediately we need to write here, right? Again, click this and snapshot. Okay. See, this is the our dynamic value. So I'm copying this. Through snapshot I identified. Okay. And function also we need to write from the here. And if you're writing anything, right, you need to write from the above of the start transaction, because what will happen, right? If you write anything in the in between from the start and transaction, what will happen means that code also it will like how much time it is response time we are getting, it is calculated. So that is why we need to write from the above of the start and end transaction. Okay. And now what we can do, we can write from the function. Okay. And one more thing I will explain. So if you are doing from this, right, no need to do from the manually, we can do from the automatically also, we can write from the function. So for example, before that you should be copy that dynamic value somewhere. Okay, this is the dynamic value. So now if you go to the here and here go to the view, and here we have the step toolbox will be there. Here step toolbox will get from the all the functions. Okay, now which function we need? Web underscore rec. If you click this, we have the multiple functions will be there. See webbreak separum, webbreak separum ex, webbreak separum json, webbreak separum regexp. We are seen, right, this all last time I told, right? So now which function you want, you can click that. See for example, I want from the webbreak separum, you can click this and give from the parameter name. So which value you are doing, you can give from that name. Okay, for example, now doing from the user section, you can give from the user session as a parameter name underscore CORR and left boundary. So you need to give from the left boundary. So this is the dynamic value. Dynamic value left boundary is left boundary. Right is the right boundary. So right and right boundary. Control C and control V. And we have the ordinal also will be there here. If you want from the ordinal, we can give from the ordinal also, we can give. So now just click from the this OK. Then automatically functionality will be generated. See, web break separate user section for LB is equal to, and RB is equal last. So no need to write from the manually. single line also. Everything we are written from the their automatical functionality rate is written. But we need to what we can do means you need to give from the slash. So if you don't give, your script passing will be fail. So that is why these are the very important. Okay. And RB also we have one. See now script passing succeed. And after that, what we can do, we need to replace with the this. Where is the dynamic value will be there? We can replace with the this. With the open curly brace and close curly brace in between. Okay, and save this. Now we'll run. See, now your script will pass or fail, you can observe. Again, your script will be fail. What is that error? Okay, web break find test is equal to booked. Okay. So every time we can log in, same it is coming or different we can observe. Yeah, this static only, right? What we can do means we can change test and we'll see reservation. Won't happen. Anything is wrong. Text is equal to here we can observe web break find started and web break find is successfully in web submit data started. We'll try once. So, like correlation will be it's a difficult thing because we are getting from the different errors. Why we are getting also we need resolve. So the text is not found reservation you are getting. So in this point of view, what we can do means we can have the one more argument will be there. Exactly the text will be there, not there, it will count. That is the save count. One more argument from the here. Save count is equal to you can give from the login, right? Just give login. Then what will happen, right? This save count, this reservation in this particular page, how many times it will there calculated? It is the 0 means it will not there means you are not going to the correct response page. Maybe it is showing from the 1 or 2 means okay, your login is successfully. So now we'll see that. Okay. Say now your script will be pass. Main thing we can observe from the that save count one. The login, right? Just you can search in the login. Okay. Login. See, you can observe now login is equal 0 is coming. Okay. Means what happened? What is the right you are given here? Something is wrong. Means this value is not picking. So first of all, we'll check this. this will be, we are getting from correct or not, we can check. Okay, everything is correct only. That actually we are copy and pasted, right? That is why you're getting this kind of errors. The sign in definitely will get from the Jojo and give from the username bin. Oh, sorry. I think username password we are given wrong. That is why you can observe. See, everyone able to see? I am also
Yes, sir.
no one is, yeah, no one identified. Okay. See, bean is there. Actually, that user is not there. That is why what will happen? We are unable to go into the correct page. So that is why it is failed. Now we can remove from the one bean. Yeah. Now your script will be always, it will pass. Means the username password ourselves we don't give from the like anything. Like what is the registered user will be there, that username password only we should give. Otherwise, so it is failing from the here itself. See, now your script will be passed. Now we can check with the login. So you can check with the login. Now it is count, it will show from the 2 times. Means what is the text reservation in that particular page, 2 times will be there. It is a showing. Okay. So like if you give from the anything, for example, if you give from the now book also you can give. It is a any text you can give. Again, it will show the count. Okay, in this book, how many times it will be there. If it is a more than one, it is showing means okay, your script will pass. Otherwise, it is showing from the 0 or anything. What we can think about that means our script will be wrong. See, login is equal 1 means the booked is a 1 times will be there in that particular page. So that is why validations are very important for us. It's clear? Now we need to do from the, apart from this, as per our client requirement. Okay. It's client asked, okay. Can note that. I want only Den. Actually, we need pick from the Denver. Okay. I want from the Den. Actually, it will be there Denver, but client is requirement will be Den. So how to will get means we have the argument will be there. What is that means? Save length. Save length is equal to, what is the save length? Nothing but it is specify the how many character you need to capture. It is specify the how many character we need to capture. So for example, Denver, how many character you want? DEN. How many? 3. How many? 3. So save length is equal, we need to give from the 3. Now what we can do, same this, we can put it from the our variable, okay, comma and double colon and comma, in between double colon we need to give every argument. Save length is equal 3. Now just will run this. Okay, just run this. See, actually we are doing from scripting, but we are not seen from the username is correct or not, we are not observed, but again and again we are tried from the script is any issues. So that is why what is that issue is to identify is also one of the big challenge for us. Now we can observe here. we are done the see, then escape. Got it? So you can observe above also you'll get from the same departure. Again, you got the den on. Okay, so that is fine. Okay, that is good, sir. Okay, maybe someone is asked, I don't want from the den, I want from the VER. I don't from the den, I want only VER display. So how do we can display? So we have the one more argument will be there. That is the save offset. Okay, save offset is equal. So first of all, VER, how many characters?
3.
3 characters. So we want to capture the 3 characters means which argument we can use? Save length. Yes, right? To capture the 3 characters, first of all, we need from the save length is equal to 3. That's fine. And but if you give 3, then what will happen? Only then only it will capture, because you are capturing 3. That is why it is capturing these 3. But I don't want from these 3. I want only from these 3 characters. Then we need from the one more is the save offset. What is the save offset? Nothing but it is specify the how many character you supposed to skip. Now how many character you need to skip? I want from the VER means how many characters? Hello?
3.
Yes, 3 only, right? Yeah.
Three.
Yeah, DE and you need to skip. Then you will capture the 3. So that is why you can give from the 3. And this argument also we need to give in the script. Okay. Go to the script. Here can give from the double colon and comma. In the middle of the double colon, you can give this. Now we'll execute. As per our expectation, we are meet or not, you can observe. So these are the arguments. Okay. This will be every time will be no need. Main thing will be LB, RB is need, but depends on the your like requirement will be there. You can use. And interview point of also very useful for this. Like what is the save length, what is the save offset, they will ask. Now we can see the output. See, VER. You got it? VER.
Yes, sir.
That is why these are the arguments are important for us. Save length and save offset. Okay. Now what I am doing means have on the 100 dynamic values there in my script. 100 dynamic values there. So what will happen means when I'm doing from the like starting itself or some this, okay, any one of this like window or this C type I'm doing, what will happen means keep on I'm doing, this script is keep on failing. Again what I'm doing, I'm changing from the boundaries, again I am giving from the function also it is the right place or not. So I'm trying till evening. I did from the only one dynamic value only because that is not passed. So that is why I spent from the more time from this. Then end of the day, my lead asked me, okay, how much script percentage completed? Then I say it's a 1% also not done. He will agree? No, right? Because
No.
tomorrow is our date. Okay. But you are today is end of the day, you are not completed. At least 50% you can complete. Tomorrow, okay, you will complete from the 50. But you are in 0% is completed. Why you are not done? He told. I am stuck in here. So this kind of things it is happen. What we can do means we can skip. So how do we can skip means we have the argument will be there. That is also one of the argument not found is equal to warning. So if you give from the not found is equal to warning, then what will happen means this variable it will be like pass, it is throwing as a warning, but it is not from the every time, just it is throwing from the warning. Why? Because we are spent from the only one value from the till end, our work will be like in so 1% only. If you ignore this, okay, and you are done from the remaining 99 values, okay, your lead asks how much percentage completed. Say almost is the 90% completed. Then you can, why it is this happen, then you can focus from the this. Then what will happen? Okay, maybe you can resolve this as soon as it is the your 100% scripting is completed. So that is why we can use from the not found is equal to warning. I will show that also. Okay. Okay, I will give from the here. Okay, double colon, comma, control V. And first of all, what I can do means I will give from the wrong boundaries. See, first I don't give from the this. Okay, after that we'll give. First of all, you can observe really it is failing or not because we are given from the wrong boundaries.